All right, today is Monday. Lut didn't go over to the store today. We have our brother over there, and he's off work, so he is running the store today, and we pay him. We pay him for his time and keep the store open and running it. We took Hannah Grace to school this morning, dropped her off, came back, went back into bed and slept till almost about 10 o'clock. But yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we did this morning. It's afternoon. We picked Hannah Grace up from school. Tomorrow there's no school. It's a holiday. The president declared a holiday for tomorrow. I think it's Nina Aquino Day or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, what do we do on our day off, or what does Lut do on our day off? Well, let me show you. So what is Lut doing on her day off? Oh, there's Hannah Grace. This is the laundry room here. This is where we do the laundry. Of course, we got the laundry machine. Lut will use the laundry machine to wash things. And then, I don't know, she rinses stuff out and puts it in fabric softener. But Hannah Grace has turned it into a little swimming pool. She jammed up the drain and now she turned it into a swimming pool. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is the water cold?
Yeah.
The water's cold. But this is Hannah Grace's private jacuzzi. Private jacuzzi, private tub. But yeah, this is what Lut has been doing today, laundry. And let's see, where's Lut right now?
I do laundry.
Oh, yes. Hannah Grace helps with the laundry all the time. No school tomorrow, you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's happy. Anyway, here's Lut. Lut's out here. What's up? What's up? Hanging the laundry. You know what, Lut, here's the thing I always wonder. Does it dry out here because it's been raining so much?
Well, you need to take time to dry it. It will dry.
It takes a couple days for it to dry.
Well, hopefully the sun will dry tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Because not only does the sun, but the warmth of the sun and everything helps dry clothing.
Yeah.
And when it rains, today was another day, it just been raining off and on. What are you doing? You breaking it? What'd you do? Break your hook? You broke your hook? Your hook that Curtis made for you.
No, this one.
Oh, your hanger. Oh, yeah, you know what? They have these hangers here. Where are they at, Lut? Show them a hanger. They have these plastic hangers here.
No.
And you buy them at the market there. You buy them at the market for what?
35 pesos.
35 pesos for a pack?
Yes.
For like a pack of what, 10 maybe?
10?
How many's in the pack?
12.
12 of them. And by the end of a couple months, you've broken about half of them.
Yeah.
Because they're just flimsy. And the thing is, look at my big shorts. I get these big shorts, and they're heavy, and sometimes they can't handle the weight and they break. Not like Lut, she's got little clothes, and Hannah Grace has little clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, them things break all the time. They're always
Buy
breaking.
like more, like kind of thicker.
You can go to the mall and get like real thick ones and real heavy duty ones, but go to Apple and pick them up for next to nothing.
50 pesos.
50 pesos. So that's what we're doing. Well, that's what Lut's doing, laundry.
I'm finally done with the laundry.
You're finally done? So our laundry just builds up for like a week. Because we're working. Or Lut's working.
Oh, yeah, you're also working. You work every day.
Yeah. And Lut won't let me do laundry.
No.
Because it won't get done right. Now, if I was back in America, all I would do is throw it in the washer, wash it, turn around, throw it in the dryer, and dry it.
Well, sometimes, like, we have different kind of options. I'm a kind of person that needs to be organized.
Yeah, Lut's very organized.
Like, you need to do this.
Oh, yeah, a certain way. There's a certain way the laundry has to be done. I've even said to Lut, why don't you get so-and-so to come over and do the laundry? And she says, no way, because they can't do it right.
Like, we tried. I tried that.
You tried.
But I want to be like based on what I like, you know.
Yeah.
I'm very, organized person.
It's Lutz way. You got to do it Lutz way. Now your brother does a good job.
Yeah, that's why sometimes
Yeah.
I also understand Brian sometimes. Because me, I'm kind of organized and sometimes judging crazy.
But you'll bring your brother over here because
Yeah.
we've had her brother come over here and help, and of course, Rub-a-dub-dub.
My helper
Hannah
there,
Griggs is in the
mermaid.
tub.
The mermaid was helping me too, and she's complaining about your short is too heavy for her.
My shirt is too heavy. Rub-a-dub-dub. Hannah Grace is in the tub. It's cold. Are you gonna Lego in there?
Yeah,
Yeah. So then you don't have to Lego tonight.
I'm gonna Lego tonight.
You're gonna Lego tonight.
She
In
can
there.
already she can Lego now. I'm gonna get her clothes and shop.
Oh. H is gonna Lego. Lego is take a bath. Lego. So she's gonna Lego in the rub-a-dub tub.
And she can't go upstairs. She's already wet.
She can't go upstairs. She's already wet. Oh, and Lut has cooked. Lut is doing. What are you doing here, Lut?
Boy already put in the
Oh, she already did it. It's
adobo.
chicken adobo.
And for Brian tonight, I give him a nice treat. He has chicken breast with cheese.
Chicken breast with cheese. Wow, that sounds masarap.
It is.
It is.
Duh.
Duh. What's the new thing you're saying? Duh.
Duh.
Yeah, Look came up with this new saying or phrase or whatever now.
Yeah,
Duh.
because sometimes like if I just not kind of agree with people say just like duh.
Duh.
It's the end of conversation, you know. You don't need to say or fight something because I'm a kind of cool guy. Like sometimes
Look. Cat.
Ah, what?
Cat up there.
Where?
Oh, it just walked by.
Dad?
Yeah. We have this
Oh,
cat. Can I hear it?
yeah.
You hear it?
Ikaw gayo, ma'am. Iyan yung short mo.
We have a cat. We're not allowed to have pets here. But there's a stray cat. There's a stray cat that wanders around here. Goes out on the motorcycle. Goes out on the motorcycle and puts its
Yun, nasali mo na.
feet prints all over the motorcycle seat. But that is what is going on this evening. All right, guys, it's Tuesday now. It's actually Tuesday afternoon. There was no school today. I ran some errands, picked up my medication. If you watched the video before, they didn't have enough for me, so I need to pick up more. Did some running around this morning. Landlord came to the store. Came to the store when? Like early this morning, and we were having problems with the sink draining, and he fixed that. He put some tiles underneath the sink. He's still got to fix the one leak, but he's here doing work, so we figure while he's here we'll grab him real quick. And he's the owner of the place. He will get it done. If you let it up to what, the son-in-law, yeah, forget it. But anyways, I was at home and Look texted me a message. She was like, "Oh my God, you can't believe what's going on." I said, "What's going on?" She said, "You're not going to believe what Liberty's doing." Well, here's Liberty. As you can see, Liberty is super tired, super worn out. Why is Liberty wore out? About, I don't know, maybe about a week ago, I was sitting here and I walked over to the sink and I seen a mouse. And I said, "Oh, gotta get a mouse trap." And then I looked at Liberty and I said, "Liberty, you're the mouse trap." So for about a week I would see this mouse here and there. Well then, like I said, Lut texts me. She's like, "Guess what Liberty's doing?" Liberty caught a mouse. So Liberty caught the mouse. And I told her to grab the phone and film it. So what you guys are gonna see is Liberty, the mouse killer, coming up right now.
That's what Liberty do.
Pag nakagat ka niyan, iiyak ka pa.
Try to.
Iiyak ang pusa mo.
Like every single time the rat moves, he will kill it. He thought rat is a toy. my God, the rat is fighting. Hello? Lumalabad din siya. Oh.
Yoks ni Petro, sakit siya nilot.
Bakit si mama rin naman ah?
Come on, Liberty. Come on. Get it. Come on. There you go.
So yeah, I asked Lut, I said, how did Liberty find that mouse? Like I was saying earlier, the landlord is here, and he's taking care of things. He's fixing one of the apartments up. Somebody's moving in, and then he's doing some other minor maintenance here. But he was going around, he was spraying for cockroaches. Cockroaches are here. You're not going to avoid them. You're going to have a clean house. Nighttime comes along, rain comes along, they just come out. Anyways, he was spraying for cockroaches, and Lut said all of a sudden like a bunch of cockroaches came out, and Liberty was chasing the cockroaches around, and which she does. I've seen her chase cockroaches around. Does she eat them much?
Huh?
Does she eat cockroaches?
No.
She won't eat them, but
Just
she'll
this, eat them.
she'll play with them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll play with them, bat them around and stuff. And I guess the mouse come running out, and Liberty seen that mouse and boom, pounced on the mouse. And well, you've seen it. She was whacking it around and playing with it. And Luke said, how long was she playing with it?
Quite a while.
Quite a while, she said. But anyways, Liberty has earned its. How would you say that, Luke?
Reward.
Liberty has earned his keep here at the store. As long as Liberty keeps catching mouses, whatever you want to say, Liberty earned its keep today. So, anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. There's a new store or a new vendor that just opened up, and it's always packed. I might head up there later on and check it out.
Bibingka.
Kabinka? Is that what it is?
Bibingka.
What is kabinka?
Bibingka.
Bibingka. What is bibingka? Well, what is bibingka?
I don't know. It's like a rice for, I don't know. It's their like it's Angeles, or they put it Kapampangan. It's their thing.
What is it? What, rice and
It's a rice, like kind of stick rice or something. No, I don't really know how they put it that. And then they put like salty egg in it.
so it's like rice.
You
Some
can
kind
ask
of.
them.
You said I've eaten it before,
You
right?
eat that
Yeah.
in 2013. You just
All right.
put that.
All right. I guess I'll head up there later on. All right, guys. So we are. Let me explain to you where we're at. Right across the street is the Daewoo bus station. City Mall, Jollibee. Up the road there is MacArthur. And they have set up this place here, Special Babinka. Special Babinka and what is it, look? And Putu Bumbung. Bumbung. Yeah, this place here is new. They just set it up. It's always busy. Always a lot of people here. So I figured we'd stop. Like I said, this place is doing good, so I'm sure eventually they're going to set up another one. But yeah, this is it. We're going to give it a try. And it's right next to a videoke joint, so then barbecue. Pleasant Street Barbecue here. What are you going to get, look? Get some.
I think this is the one.
Let me come around this way. Get away from the loud music. Special Butun Bombingo. Special Bombinka, right? Try to see how they make it here. Nice and warm here.
Tulong na yan.
What's wrong with it?
I answered it's already cooked.
They cook it.
Yeah, that
Oh, they're cooking it now.
that's the cook one. Saan galing? Saan? Like rice?
What's in it, look?
That's
Look.
rice.
What?
There's a fresh egg and salted egg. There's a fresh egg and the salted egg mixed together.
Fresh egg and a salted egg,
And
they
also
mix together.
There's a rice. It's a rice and then the rice.
So that's all in that. You're gonna get one, right? How many are you gonna get, Lut? Yeah, we'll give it a try. Nice and warm here. They got the charcoal going there, and then they got a fan blowing on it to heat it up real quick. And back there's the egg, the prep area. Is that fresh? That's hot, fresh, just made? It is? Alright, we'll take it home and eat it, right, Lut? Yeah? Alright, we're gonna go home and give it a try. You can see how they do it. Hot coals, dump it on, that's a banana leaf, right?
Yeah.
What is that, like chunks of eggs in there?
That's a salted egg.
That's salted egg.
Yeah.
And then they put that on top and cook it.
That's how they cook it.
That's how they cook it. Alright, we're gonna go home and give it a shot. Alright, so here's the babinka. Right, Lut? Babinka.
Babinka, yeah.
Alright, Hannah Grace, get a spoon. Let's see if you like it. That looks creamy like. You like it? Lut, you want to give it a shot?
I thought there is like kind of.
I taste that already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm grabbing.
No, the other one try it.
Yeah?
That is good.
Alright, let me try.
I'll try it too.
Alright, let me get
Now it's your turn, Brian.
Yay. Let's see if Papa like it.
That's good.
Is that good, huh?
It's like
Sure.
it's like a pancake almost, you know it? Kind of reminds you of like a pancake texture. But yeah, it's very good. I like babinka. You like babinka? What is it?
Bibingka.
Bibinka. Very good. All right, guys, so we all like babinka. It's very good. And that, like I said, that Lut says that's a Pampanga. Papangan dish up here that it was, what, or invented in this area?
I think so.
Yeah, that's what Lut says. Comes from this place. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Tomorrow's school again, Wednesday, live show tomorrow. So when I upload this, it'll probably only be in a few hours that our show is. What I usually do is 5 a.m. I set it for 5 a.m. for it to go, you know, up on the YouTube. So anyways, tomorrow's a new day. The journey continues, and we're gonna finish eating up the babinka. Anna Grace is already digging in.
Yeah.
Anna Grace really likes it.